Hello everyone, my name is Reshu Jain, in charge POXO committee from Olympus High School, Dehradun. Dear children and their parents, today we have come up with a topic which is very important for all of us to understand. This is be smart, that is stay safe, stay home and stay strong during especially in the festival seasons. I have come up with this small presentation to make you aware that how important you people are and how we need to be protective, especially in festival seasons. Children, nowadays, as you all know, we have started moving outside in festival seasons to shop, to take out the money, to meet people. But in Corona, still we have to follow certain things to keep us safe and secure. So here I have come up with some special tips to assist you in having a safe and enjoyable holiday season and assist you in preventing crime. Please avoid carrying around large sum of cash when shopping. Pay with a check or credit card whenever possible because e-cash e-payment is very safe rather than carrying lot of money. It can be the cause of theft also. If you plan on shopping, do so during the daytime only. Don't travel in the night hours because daytime is very much secure, especially when you are traveling outside. And avoid driving alone at the night. It can put you into trouble. Never leave your vehicle unlocked or leave any valuable in plain sight. If you must leave valuables, secure them in a trunk. Avoid interaction with strangers that may want to steal your identity. As a precaution, do not reveal personal info to anyone, especially children when you are going alone or you are going with your friends. Try to avoid to interact with any kind of a stranger whom you don't know. And also try to avoid go alone. Always go in groups or with the people to whom you know very well. Do not drink and drive. This is especially for the elders, those who are in habit of having the drinking and all. Please try to avoid while driving. It is totally unsafe for you. It can put you into trouble. Secure your doors and windows when you are not at home, but keep the lights or TV on so it looks like as if you someone is there at home. So try to switch on your lights or TV when you are at home. Keep the doors and windows closed, but be secure by lights on. If you use an ATM, use one that is in well lit area or the area which is little bit crowded and withdraw the amount which is actually required by you. Make sure that your PIN is correct and you are not logging in presence of anybody there in the ATM area. Obey all traffic laws. Drive the speed limit. Wear your seat belt. Do not text and drive. Pay attention to the road. Have your cell phone in the event of an emergency. Report suspicious activity to the law enforcement. As you all can see now on road, we have so many people from the security, like from police area also. So we need to be very safe and secure and immediately report to the concerned person in nearby you if you are in any kind of a trouble. And always keep important numbers safe in your mobile phone. Next, tips to avoid getting kidnapped in malls and public places, especially small children. Avoid wearing expensive jewelry or displaying expensive gadgets. Children often play with their iPads, unable to see that what is going on around them. People are busy in shopping. Kids are using mobile phone and iPads and playing games. They are not aware who is there in the surroundings. So please be alert in such areas, malls, public places. If threatened, attract attention. Criminals prefer to get away rather than to attract attention. If someone is trying to threaten you, shout loudly. Shout loudly, revert them back, and so that you can be safe and secure. Ask assistance from security personnel if one sees something suspicious. If you find something is suspicious going on in your surroundings, report to the concerned person or the security guards immediately or to your elders at that same point of time and shout loudly. because in festival seasons we have sound of crackers also, so you have to be very active and you have to be with a loud voice so that the other person could hear you easily. Also, parents and elders, teach your children not to talk to strangers or go with them under any circumstances. We need to keep on telling our children that they are not supposed to go with any stranger near to them, and they should always be safe and secure and should be able to contact you at any point of time. This is very, very important. Now, tips to prevent kidnapping, we can follow Claro. What is this Claro? C, for change your day-to-day routine. Always try to change your regular going and incoming from one place to another by changing your routine. Some days take other route, sometimes go by car, sometimes go by two-wheeler, but try to change it. Next we have L. Learn to take evasive actions. Always be ready to take some action against some unnecessary thing going on in front of you. A. Assign a security officer within the family. We need to assign someone a duty to take care of the children, especially those who live alone in the absence of their parents, because nowadays both parents are working, so we need to assign someone to protect them, to take care of them. So this is also one of the solution. R. Report suspicious persons or movements to the barangay or police. Barangay means neighborhood. The people whom you can trust, the people who are nearby you, or police. You should learn how to report them. Be ready with mobile phone or contact at any point of time, or some kind of a loudspeaker with which you can use in case of some suspicious thing happening. O. Organize neighborhood vigilance network. Always be a vigilant person, a vigilant neighbor. This is not your security. You can also take action for someone who is living nearby you and something unnecessary things are going on. So you can please protect them. Crime prevention is everybody's concern. So be safe and secure. I hope this small presentation will help you out to be safe and secure during the festival seasons. Now, Olympus, I wishes you a very safe and very, very happy Diwali, and please stay safe, stay home, stay strong, don't panic. So, we wish you all a very, very, very happy Diwali. Thank you.